Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin with essentials so you can code immediately. Install Node, JS and VS Code, then add the Leetcode extension or use the site editor. Once done, create or sign into your Leetcode account and set the language to JavaScript ES6+. Open the target problem and paste a minimal JS template with function signature and basic exports. Run the provided sample tests locally with Node. Then trigger the platform's sample run to confirm environment parity. You now attack the core of the problem. First, classify the pattern: sliding window, 2 pointers, DFS, BFS, dynamic programming, or greedy, so you pick the right approach. Make a quick sketch of edge cases and expected time and space complexity. This guides efficient choices. Then implement in JavaScript using small helper functions and clear variable names. Once implemented, run multiple custom tests, including edge cases and stress tests, to ensure correctness and acceptable performance before submission. You're at the finish line. Submit your solution and read the result. Runtime and memory percentiles tell you if optimization is needed. If tests fail, reproduce the failing case locally, sprinkle targeted console. Log statements and inspect assumptions about inputs. Make sure to handle null, empty, and boundary values. If performance is poor, revisit algorithmic complexity and trim unnecessary loops or allocations. Finally, refactor into a clean canonical solution. Save the snippet for future reuse, and remember this troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.